You have to see with the Maverick this evening. Me are trying to do a favor for some of my close friends. Yes. We are trying to find Arsenal on the English Premier League table. We know it's only 3 games, but the big gunners, the former invincibles, the many-time champions, I can't find them on the EPL table. And as expected, the out Arteta calls are getting louder and louder. And look, this is not my business, but is this really an Arteta problem? I think the Gunners organization, from the latter stages of Arsene Wenger's tenure, in their quest to continue playing the beautiful, attractive Arsenal football, they lost their belly and their toughness, and over time, the Gunners have now gradually lost both the flair in their football and the guts to play tough football. And that is why Arsenal end up where they end up. But as me say, it's not really my business, but we have some good Arsenal friends, and we are trying to help them. Yes, we are trying to find them. We are trying to find the Gunners. Yeah, on the EPL table, I can't find them. Oh, see them there, see them there. See them there. I find them never under the table. Never under the table, Gunners.